Hey guys, so as like the title says, I shorted Tesla and made over 100% overnight. Alright, so I'm going to share with you guys exactly what happened throughout the night and how I actually made that 100%. In fact, it was actually more than 100%, it was actually 200%, right? But I didn't close my position, right? So it eventually became 100%. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly what I did, alright? So without further ado, let's dive what happened to Tesla last night and why I decided to short it. So the first reason what happened to Tesla last night was because, but this is the news after which lah, but what basically happened was that the chief financial officer Zach actually confirmed that the factory will remain closed for another week and a half, alright, due to the coronavirus. And also on top of it, one reason why it sell off is because the stock has actually climbed too high too fast. And if you check out my previous video, which I actually mentioned and highlighted Tesla buying the surge or not, right? The bull and bear argument, the bull and bear thesis, and whether it should be at the bull side or the bear side. I did specifically say when should you start shorting Tesla, and I actually did it because you put where your mouth, you put where your money is, right? You put where your mouth is, you put your money where your mouth is, right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly what happened. Alright, so when we take a look at the slides here, let me just go back to this slide over here. So you can see that Tesla actually fell a lot last night. It was over 21%, so it was a huge movement down. I made over 100% of it. Here's the P&L statement. Let me just make it bigger, zoom it bigger. Let me just bring this back. Alright, so Tesla, I made over 100%. Yes, it's just a $200. It's not sexy and all, but there's also another one over here which I made $182. So total amounting to around $300 plus dollars, $300 plus $400 for Tesla in USD just last night. Alright, so what exactly happened and how did I actually get about this? $200 is not sexy, but getting 100% return is sexy. And how much did it cost me? It cost me just $200, right? Just $200 to get $200. So it's actually very, very sexy, right, to get $200. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys exactly my trades and everything. Here are all my trades. I know it's a bit small, but there's nothing much I can do about it here. So yeah, basically you can see I actually made a couple of trades over the last night. I actually made 2 buy entries, and then after I make 2 sell, and then after which I play on house money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly. So let me just bring up the chart for you guys to see. Alright, so right here at the chart, let's go to the chart over here. So we saw that Tesla actually fell short last night, and like straight at the point where market opened, right, it fell immediately $90 over. And I was thinking to myself, hey, I mean, it fell so much already, right? Should I just like enter the position right now and then go for it? But I was thinking, and my phone was lagging, right? TD Ameritrade was lagging my phone. I don't understand why it was lagging throughout everything for like full 1 hour. So I thought to myself, like, hey, it's fine, it's chill, man, doesn't matter. Since it's lagging, then why not let's not take a trade first? Anyway, it's already dropped $100, $90 over $100. Why would I still want to enter the trade, right? It doesn't make sense. So after which it actually rebounded up, and then you see, look at this time here, it's actually reaching 11 and rebounded down. So after which it rebounded up again, and I started to draw this trend line downwards. Can you see this trend line here? I draw this trend line from here to here, and notice that it's starting to trend downwards. And also notice that this support line over here. So what I did was that I decided to take action after I see this, but I needed a full confirmation of all this price action movement, right? So what basically I did was that I waited for Tesla stock price to drop below this support point, right? It's important because you want to see an obvious breakout, right? And take a look at this. Take a look at this chart over here. And this candlestick over here, it is red and is such a long candlestick, suggesting huge selling momentum at the point of time. Alright, so what I did was that I actually entered a short position here. I entered all the way down, and then when it come back up again, I started losing money. Because why? Well, if you're playing options and you're playing with just 1 day expiration, the way the option jumps is like the volatility of the premium jump is really huge, very insane, and you may think that you're actually making money sometimes, even though your strike price and break-even price is very, very close. But the fact is that you're actually still losing money there. Alright, so what I did was that I actually entered again. I doubled down on it, entered again, and what happened was that at this specific line over here, like this downwards trending trend line, I entered in, and true enough, the stock actually fell down, and it fell down and it broke below this point over here. So and it was hovering here for like a good whole like like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it was like not much movement that was going on, right? So you can see 12 around here it was like 11:30 to like 11:40. Okay, go hold 10 minutes, but if you're looking at day trading, minutes trading, it could possibly feel like 20 minutes lah. So what happened was that it was around 10 minutes hovering around there, and like I see that it was like keep trying to go back up, trying to fight its way up. So let's take a look at the MACD chart, right? So let me just bring up the MACD for you guys. You can see at this point of time, the MACD was like, you know, the histogram is like consolidating. The gaps between this histogram bars within this MACD are actually getting smaller and smaller, right? So it was kind of a moment where I thought like, I made it up like $100 plus, $187. Why not just take the profit, right? And that's why I did. I took profit off the table. I made around $187, around $200 around there. So what I did eventually was that I waited for a while because I thought that the whole trend would be over, like it doesn't matter anymore because it was going to go all the way up again, and you know, maybe I open a new position tomorrow. So after which I got a bit itchy fingers and everything, so I decided to short Tesla again, right? What I did was that I had $2 profit in gain or in profit, right? I didn't want to spend more than $200, maybe like slightly above, maybe $240 around there. That's what's my maximum capital because I'll be playing the house money with like maximum $50 on my side. So what I did was that I actually initiated another put position, a short put position, shorting Tesla again at just $200. Yes, the delta is low. If you're familiar with bear puts, you understand that with $200, basically for every $1 movement in Tesla, you may move a little bit and here and there. But I still made 100% overnight. In fact, what happened was that when I woke up in the middle of the night, suddenly all of a sudden I woke up in the middle of the night, I saw Tesla at $704.11. Right, I was making $400, so that was actually a 200% return on investment, right? 200% return on investment. But I thought to myself like, may Tesla get lower? I don't know, man. Like Tesla may get lower today opening or like next day or Friday's opening, right? And nobody will know, right? I mean, Dow Jones Index, Dow Futures is up, so but yesterday doesn't seem to affect Tesla so much because Dow Jones was up but Tesla was down. So maybe there wasn't such a huge correlation. And bear in mind, all these are happening at like I was like sleepy in the middle of the night. I just woke up just to see this this part over here. So yeah, it was insane. So I thought about it. Anyway, I was playing the house money. There's nothing much for me to lose at most of $50 USD tops. And yeah, so what I thought was that just continue shorting it. And yeah, so unfortunately, Tesla bounced back up all the way here and it closed off slightly higher than the lows all the way here. Alright, so right now Tesla has actually dropped a little bit lower than before, and the pre-market action, the post-market action basically was that right now post-market. Did you talk about post-market? Okay, it didn't talk about post-market, but basically right now, if I'm not wrong, it's trading at let me see if I have it over here. Post-market, yeah, it's no, I don't have it over here. So basically, it's trading at 720 something dollars there, down $7. So I guess this contract will still make me be profitable in the short run. May not be profitable in the next couple of days because this contract is going to expire on this Friday itself. Alright, but we see how it goes. I'll continue to update you guys on whether I continue to make money on this. Anyway, I already made 100%. Even if I lose a bit tomorrow, lose 50% tomorrow, it's still the house money. I have nothing to lose, and that's all about investing, right? So you ask me why didn't I go for a larger position? Well, I did thought of going for like a insane huge position on Tesla, but then again I was thinking like, what if, you know, the risk to reward ratio wasn't there? Because you look at Tesla chart, it is easy for you. It's easy for you to say short Tesla. It is really, there's many instances where you can keep saying, hey, at this point in time, you could have short Tesla, right? It went up so high in one single day, and you could have short Tesla in that single day. But what happened was the next day it shot up even higher because the story in Tesla is just simply crazy, right? So I also do not want to get caught in a short squeeze and lose out a ton of money. Why not for a lower capital? And you know, I did gain 100%. I'm very happy with that 100%, even though it's just a $200 to $400, but still it is like free money, and who doesn't like free money, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the sharing I have today. I'm going to share more of you guys days coming, whether I continue close close the position on Tesla, or if I continue to hold the position on Tesla. All right. So thank you very much for joining me all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.